Today we visit the national winner from Pau. Pau was changed to Bordeaux because there are very bad weather in Pau. They released on Monday, and the national winner is from Mr. Jean-Marie Marchal. This winner is 6-year-old cock, a big size cock, but a very good cock on the marathon races. This pigeon won the first National Bordeaux against 3,734 pigeons, and on international level this pigeon won second place against 15,536 birds. The distance from Pau to this loft was 713 kilometers and the velocity was 1,296.